everybody, it's Wednesday and welcome back to another vlog. I'm starting a new vlog off today. I vlogged the last 2 days off and I've uploaded that today actually. So go watch that, I'll link that above here. So this week I work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 12-hour shifts. And off Saturday, but I have a wedding cake due then. And then Sunday I work 8 to 1 weekend overtime. I don't have much going on in the evenings because I don't have a ton of cake orders, and I already baked the chocolate cake for the wedding cake. It's not like a 3-tier wedding cake. Where I live, a lot of the COVID restrictions are still in place, so I think that the gathering limit for outside is 25 people. I'm not positive on that. And obviously when you have such a small wedding, you don't need a huge cake, so I completely understand. A lot of people this summer have been either rescheduling their wedding or getting really small cakes. So it's just a single tier 9-inch round chocolate cake. She's not picky with how it's decorated, but she is getting flowers for the cake. So I have to pick up the flowers sometime on Friday, and then I will be delivering the cake Saturday. So that's my plans for the week, just the one cake order. The weeks that I work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 12-hour shifts, I don't take too many cakes because obviously I'm going to be working 3 12-hour shifts leading up to it. So it's harder for me to get cakes done when I'm working the longer shifts. I normally take more cakes when I'm off on the Thursday afternoon. So then I have Thursday, Friday to make the cakes and get them ready for the weekend. Keep on watching and we'll see what I get up to through the week. Hey guys, I didn't do anything at lunchtime, so I didn't turn the camera on, but it's after work now and I'm on the way home. The sun actually came out this afternoon. Seamus already took the dog out for his evening walk. I think I'm gonna go to the gym. So while I still have the motivation, I'm gonna go. With the Apple Watch, you have these rings, and I've completed my standing goal and I've completed my step goal or move goal, whatever they call it, but I didn't complete my exercise goal. So I think I'm gonna go to the gym for an hour and do that. And I said it a few times at work because I was like, the more I say it out loud, I have to do it. Because if I say it out loud, I have to go. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I don't really have anything I have to do tonight, so I'm gonna go do that and exercise. So obviously I'm gonna go home and change out of my scrubs, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Good morning, it's Thursday and I forgot to vlog again after I went to the gym, but I went to the gym for an hour and then I came home and had my supper and just relaxed for a bit before I had to go to bed. So this morning I'm on my way to work. I work 7 to 7 today. I have to go to the pet store at lunch to get food for Chip, and I have to get my face wash at the drugstore. So I am gonna try my best to catch up with you at lunchtime. Okay, so I'm on my lunch break. I just went to the pet store and got a big bag of dog food for Chip. Okay, so now that my car is parked, I just want to show you the toys I got Chip. It's from the brand Top Paw, and I got this it's like a little taco, and it's like crunchy, and then there's a squeaker in it, but I think this is the brand we got him of the last ones. It literally says Tough Ballistic Toy, Bite Shield Protection. So Chip will test this out, see if it actually, and then they were like buy one get one 50% off, so I got this turtle too. It almost looks like it's for a baby dog, but it says Bite Shield Protection. So we'll see how that actually goes. And this is the face wash that I use now. This is the one that I've been using. This one is like right next to the CeraVe one on the shelf, so I thought that maybe it's similar, and it is very similar, so I have that. And then for lunch, I saw these things. It's not very much to eat, but these Schneider's turkey breast thing. It literally looks like an adult version of a Lunchable, but it has like the cracker type things, the cheese, and the turkey breast. So I'm gonna have that, and I got this Fresca sugar-free drink. It says natural grapefruit flavor. It almost tastes like a lemonade. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink that and listen to a podcast before I have to go back into work. Hey guys, it's Friday. I am on the way to an appointment. I took the morning off work for this appointment, and then after that I'm gonna go straight to work. It's 8:21 and my appointment's at 9. I just left so I could be there a little bit earlier, and then brought my work clothes to change into. I'm gonna try to take some vacation tonight. If we don't have a busy evening planned, I might leave work at 5 o'clock. I do have to run to the bulk barn, and then I need to come home and decorate a wedding cake for tomorrow. I also have to go pick up the flowers for the wedding cake. So that's my day. I will try to update you a little bit later. I know I didn't check in last night again. I completely forgot, and I was doing some computer work, so I was zoned out for 4 hours trying to practice something on the computer. So I'll keep you updated later. And if you like this video so far, give it a big thumbs up and keep watching. Hey guys, it's much later now. It's 5 o'clock. Actually, I took some vacation hours because the person I was working with was taking vacation, and also because I had to go pick up the wedding cake flowers, and the shop closed at 5. So I left a little bit early at work, used some vacation time, and then I went to the bulk barn really quick to get a cake board. I needed a cake drum, a thicker one, and a cake box, as you can see there. Tonight my plan is to decorate the wedding cake, and I'm gonna put the flowers in the fridge overnight in some water, and then I'll add the flowers to the cake tomorrow morning before I take the cake for delivery. It's just a single layer cake. Normally, if it's a bigger wedding cake, I ask a family member or Seamus to come with me in the car to help me deliver. But where it's just the single tier, I can deliver it on my own. The delivery time is 11 a.m. and I think it'll take 45 minutes for me to get there. So I'll have everything done tonight. All I'll have to do in the morning is to add the flowers. That's all I have planned for today, but I'll definitely film decorating the wedding cake, and then tomorrow when I put the flowers on too. Today was a pretty good day at work because I had a full morning of appointment time, and then obviously I was only there for a few hours, and then I took the evening off for vacation. So what a great Friday. I might take Chip for a walk this evening because when I was in my appointment at work, I normally stand up all day and I get easy 12 hours of standing in. On the Apple Watch, it tracks you're moving, you're standing, and your exercise. Because I was sitting all morning in that appointment, I don't have enough standing hours, but I'm sure I'll finish off the standing hours decorating the cake. Hey guys, it's much later and I just finished the cake. Flowers are down in the fridge downstairs. I turned the fridge temperature down so it's not too cold for the flowers, but I will do the flowers in the morning. I just cleaned the kitchen up. I'm just gonna let the dishes dry over there. I don't want to put them away right now. Okay guys, so I finished the cake. I put the flowers on top. They didn't give me many. I wish they gave me more roses, but I just filled it in with some greenery. So now I'm gonna box it up there and go in the car and deliver. Hey guys, I'm in the car on the way to deliver the cake. I have it down on the passenger seat floor. I like to put it there so I can see it. It reminds me to slow down. It reminds me to mind the bumps. I used to bring buttercream and a little offset spatula when I deliver cakes in case something happens, but this is a 1-tier cake. Nothing should happen. It was in the fridge overnight and there's a support straw down the middle. The delivery is for 11, so I'm not setting it up. I'm just passing it in to the bride's grandmother. She's gonna keep it in her fridge. I think it's like a 40-minute drive or so. It's all highway driving, pretty smooth, so it shouldn't be too bad. Okay guys, I just dropped off the cake. This road is a little bit bumpy, so I don't know if it's gonna be a shaky video, but I'm on the way back home. Okay guys, so it's 11:15 now. There's a farmer's market here. I don't normally get to go because I'm either decorating a cake or doing cake pickups or working, so I'm gonna go in today. I might try to film a little bit if it's not too awkward.
In the park I saw her daddy with a laughing little girl that he was swimming.
Hey guys, it's much later now. I was at the farmer's market earlier. I didn't buy anything. I went specifically to see if there was one vendor there in like the food section, but they weren't there, so I did a little walk around and I left the farmer's market and I went and got lunch for my mom and I. She has my little niece today, so we all had lunch together, and then now I'm on the way back home. The sun actually decided to come out, so it's nicer out now and it's 25 degrees, my car says. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, but if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you so much for watching.